Good morning! Outfit check muna tayo. So, I'm wearing color green with matching of white. Guys, this is our breakfast. Croissant, fruits, muffins. Yeah, coffee. So guys, kakatapos lang natin kumain. Ito yung reception nila. This is Novotel. Novotel in Canada, Montreal. Okay, that's me. Okay, so we just have to go back. So, we are still waiting for the driver to come kasi kailangan niya makapagpahinga or makatulog ng 8 hours kasi in Canada, kahit sa ibang bansa, dapat may 8 hours sa sleep yung driver bago siya makapag-operate ng sasakyan.
Thousand years later.
So guys, bumaba na kami for wash break and we are heading to Quebec. Dahan-dahan tayo tatawid kasi may mga sasakyan na dumadaan. Ayun na nga guys. Nakatapos lang natin mag-CR. Sobrang lamig. Ito nga. For the information of everybody, Montreal is a French word which is meaning it is a mountain royal, something like that. So we are heading to Citadel, which is the old city of Quebec. So kung mapapansin natin guys, yung language nila dito is French. They are dominated by French speaker. Welcome to Citadel.
So before we go in, there's a few rules that I need to tell you guys. So always do not climb on the cannons or the wall. We're gonna see them, but do not climb on it. Welcome guys to the Citadel. It's really fun to have you here. I'm just gonna show you a bit of context of the Citadel. Do you know what is a Citadel? It says a fortress.
Fortress.
And today it's an active military base. It comes from an Italian word, cittadella. It means a small city. So it's a small city within a bigger city.
Okay.
Yes. Sir, wanna follow me?
Okay, so pasok na tayo guys. So, ito yung itsura ng dating Citadel. Oh my God. Parang intramuros lang tong tour natin ah.
This is the whole citadel. This is a picture of the whole citadel, and just gonna explain to you real quickly the defense system of the citadel. So it has a particular shape. Do you know what shape?
A star?
A star, exactly. It's a star fort actually. So it's not a coincidence. It's actually not the first. It's not unique to the citadel of Quebec to have a star shape. What makes the shape is what we call the bastion. So we have 5 bastions here at the citadel. We're gonna go over to this one a bit later on our tour. So this is the point, what we call the bastion, and they are linked together by curtain walls.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday, no.
Oh. Oh my God.
We can make our own decision.
So guys, ito na nga yung labas ng Citadel, and as you could see, talagang wall siya. Ang hirap akyatin to ng mga colonizer. And this one, guys, so yun na nga, lahat gutom. Hindi kasi nakakain ng maayos yung lahat. So, itong tour na to, alam mo yung parang nasa Intramuros ka din. Dami mo makikita dito, puro wall, and we could say na talagang very advanced sila. Talagang, kaya tinawag na fortress to. Kasi, ang hirap talaga siya i-invade. So, itong building na to guys is for prisoner. So, ngayon papasok na tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman nito. Say hi to the vlog. Ayan. So, papasok na nga tayo. So, puro picture na lang yung makikita natin. Ayan. Bawal sa may polysinocytis to eh. I smell something. Wala uutot sa inyo ah. Hindi kasi parang contain siya eh. Dito daw yung exit. You only have 2 minutes daw. So ito na nga guys. Tapos na yung tour namin inside the Citadel. Ang ganda ng Quebec. Yung weather. For the information of everybody, do you know that Celine Dion was actually born here? She's living here at Quebec. At kung mapapansin natin yung mga bahay dito, talagang puro bricks. So, ayan o. Makakapal yung mga dingding nila. Kasi nga, yung Quebec considered as the coldest city in Canada. So, they have to protect themselves. Kaya puro bricks, puro makakapal yung mga walls ng bahay nila. Guys, ito yung itsura ng maple leaf nila. So, ito yung national leaf ng Canada. Itong maple leaf na to, nagtuturn into red, orange, or red during winter season. Kaso, hindi natin ma-experience yan. Kasi nga, it's summer. So, wala. So guys, ikot muna tayo kasi medyo mainit na and tuloy pa rin yung show doon sa gitna, and of course, as what you expect, kahit may araw, malamig pa rin. And this is the Notre Dame, and that one, this is the famous one na mga pinupuntahan ng mga taga ibang bansa, iba't ibang nationality. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung mga Canadian, very proud sila sa pagiging Canadian nila. Everything na napansin ko is they always have flags. Mapapansin mo din na yung mga establishment nila or yung mga announcement or yung mga signboard nila, puro mga French yung language na ginagamit nila. And of course, as we walk alone, ang dami natin makikita iba't ibang nationality. Maraming mga Pinoy din dito and may mga Indiano, may mga American, French, may mga European, may mga white. So yun guys, nakikita nyo yung palace na yan. That palace is called the Château St. Louis Palace. That's a place of power and diplomacy. In 1626, Champlain built his living quarters and the first of 4 St. Louis forts to protect the inhabitants from possible threats here. So that's why they have the palace in here. And that one is the Notre Dame. Damn, that's really good. So, yun na nga guys. Nakapila tayo. Bibili tayo ng gelato. Kasi parang bestseller nila dito. Ang dami nakapila. Kanina pa ako nakapila dito. And I am planning to have just the medium size. Gusto ko pa naman. Yun yung bestseller nila dito. At saka sikat yung gelato dito sa Canada. Ang hirap mag-vlog guys. Kasi ang dami mamaya may matamaan kasi ng mga puti or mga white. Alam mo naman, very sensitive sila sa camera. Mamaya. So yun na nga. Ito try natin yung gelato nila. We have the maple flavor and the peanut flavor. This one. Ang lambot. Tapos ang sarap. Kaya pala ang mahal. Guys, ang dami nakapila. Dahil summer dito ngayon, kaya talagang nagkakaubusan sila. We have gelato. We have muffin. Blueberry muffin. Ang sarap. Ang lambot. Ay, ako magaling na ako.